I have new hair. Oh my goodness. So this is by Ellen Wille, and this style is called Elan, and this color is light champagne rooted. So we've seen some light champagne rooted before, and we'll do a comparison in another video. But let's unbox her. So I just pulled her out of the box. What I like to do first is shake her, and you can see it's open wefted because my fingers come through. Now inside, like I said, it's open wefted. This is stretchy and very breathable. In the front, we have a little bit of lace right here and just this little area here. So when we try her on, that'll probably make more sense to us. Here we have the velvet ear tabs that are so comfortable. And in the back, the adjusters. Again, this is Ellen Wille. And let's try her on. Elan in light champagne rooted. I'm loving the color already. So for my new wig wearers, the first thing we do is I've got my wig cap on to collect my short hair, just so it doesn't stick back through or go anywhere. And the velvet on this combination cap keeps the hair from sliding back because it's friction this way and smooth this way. So we're gonna put our forehead in first. Tag goes in the back. And at first, it always looks like this. It always looks silly. So we're gonna pull her up, ooh, oh yes. Okay, I love this color. Light champagne, let's see, light champagne rooted. And this is Ellen Wille. I love Ellen Wille wigs. This is so fun. Now I don't feel any permatease. There might be a little bit because it's what makes this stay perky, right? And you can see, oh my goodness, I love this. Gorgeous. Let's just tame her down a little bit. Let's look at the hairline. So we can see there's a little lace, probably right here. But very nice hairline, right? Let's see. And I like the dark base. Now I'm gonna adjust the ear tabs. There's little wires here that we kind of just mold to your temples. And just like when the hairstylist pulls your hair down to see if it's even, that's what you're gonna do with these wig tabs. Okay, let's make sure she's pulled down and back. I'm gonna show you the back too. Oh, this is really pretty. I like getting a little bit of lift here. Oh my goodness, super cute. I think I'm a fan of short hair again. My goodness, look at this. Okay, so this is Elan in champagne, light champagne rooted. I'm sitting on the floor in my living room, so just having a casual day, trying on some new hair. Look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? I love the dark root. So natural, right? You wouldn't know that this isn't my hair. There's absolutely no way anybody would know. Now this is kind of sticking up for me. What I would do is just use a little more water on it and it'll calm down. But let's say you want to be, you know, a little cray-cray. Do a little wild number. Possible, right? Why not? Just let her be. So cute. So cute. Again, Ellen Wille, Elan, in light champagne rooted. Whew, I'm in love. Gorgeous.